Alright everybody, I'm going to end this video with a time lapse of Dad and I, just the start of cutting this hole through the woods to get to this back field. So my battery died probably halfway through it on my little camera. I had it mounted on the hood, but it's pretty neat perspective, seeing the grapple work and all. So hope y'all enjoy. Y'all give us a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Appreciate y'all watching. See you on the next one.